Namaskar. In the past few months, I was working on paintings of Konark. This video is a continuation of my other videos on Kalinga architecture. Konark in Odisha is a pilgrimage center for sun worship long before the mid-13th century when the temple was built. In this video, we will discuss the magic of Konark. Narasimhadeva I, the son of Ananga Bhimadeva III, the Ganga king, built the Konark temple in 1250 CE. Yes, it was the era of an accomplished king, Narasimhadeva I. So why is it any more spectacular than others? Besides inheriting a fine continuous tradition of stone construction of 1,000 years, a successful king was making Konark as a thank you note for people's trust in him. There are portrait sculptures of the king in the temple worshipping the triad Shivalinga, Purushottama and Durga Mahishasuramardini. But besides his family's allegiance to Shaiva, Shakta and Vaishnava traditions, this temple was built in the glory of sun god. Solar names and patronage to followers of sun god appear in inscriptions of almost all rulers from Odisha. The Matharas, Nalas, Vigrahas, Dattas, Sarvapuriyas, Sailodbhavas, Somavansis, the early Gangas and the imperial Gangas. Sun worship is also carried on in families through practice of Ravi Narayana Vrata, Dutiya Osa and Sambhadasami. The Kondhas, Orans, Bhuiyas, Gondas, Khariyas, Bhunjiyas, Sauras and Juangas worship sun as the supreme being along with Basuki Mata. The followers of Mahima Dharma in Odisha also revere the sun in their prayers. Some research also describes Maga Brahmins from Iran worshipping sun in Odisha. The temple is filled with references of international trade and a contemporary lifestyle. This was a deliberate move to acknowledge foreign ties of friendship. The king successfully solved a multitude of problems created by enemies and uprisings and set the stage for a prosperous Odisha for the next 300 years. Surya is mentioned in Rig Veda and is referred to as Savitri. He is celebrated in 11 hymns of Rig Veda, including the Gayatri Mantra. Some of the earliest images of Surya found in Odisha are in Anantagumfa and Parsurameshwara temple in Bhubaneswar. We also find Surya images in Chaurasi and Kiching in Odisha. A standing form of Surya, which is found in Parshurameshwara temple and Swarnajaleshwara temple, was later found in the Mahagayatri temple in Konark. The Konark temple has the main Surya temple, the Nata Mandira, the Mahagayatri temple and a small brick Vishnu temple. In Konark's architectural plan, we see Vedic traditions are combined with the traditions of Tantra. The temple was conceived of as Surya's chariot with 24 giant wheels representing the months and pulled by horses. The puja image of the sun temple is believed to have been in Padmasana seated on a chariot. The image of Hara Surya found in the Museum of Konark stands in Samapada position in a 3-ratha chariot driven by 7 horses. As suggested by various critics such as Kramish, Havel and Chari, I quote, Konark sculptures are masterpieces of realism and are a testimony to the ancient artists' study of nature and their skills in capturing its forms in stones. The plinth of the temple is decorated with fantastical animals, lions, musicians, dancers. The various sculptures also depict a contemporary lifestyle. For example, there are sculptures of women wearing heels, engaged in boxing, and wearing a variety of fashionable outfits. The temple was central to the lives of Odiyas throughout the medieval period. A 13th century work, Tirtha Chintamani, mentions regular visits by devotees to the temple. Sarala Das, in his Mahabharata, written in 1500s, mentions that devotees used to visit Konark in the month of Makara in Shukla Saptami, which is Sambadasami. Abul Fazl has marvelled at Konark in Aini Akbari. But after the death of Raja Mukunda Deva in 1568, the temple has fallen into disrepair and slow decay due to attacks and negligence. From the article of the Royal Asiatic Society of March 1909, the tower of Konark Temple was still standing tall, though in a neglected condition up to 1840s. The work on Konark Temple was done by 12,000 craftsmen for 12 years. The book Baya Chakada, written a little after the temple was built, details out the execution of the temple and the deep commitment of the builders and the artisans. It also mentions the tactfulness of its chief architect. It also mentions his son, who helped in the project and, unlike the prevailing myths, was adequately rewarded. Konark is a masterpiece and culmination of Kalinga architecture. A work of genius, both in conception and execution, it has been designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1984. As I delve deeper, there's many more stories that are there to tell about Odisha. So we will be back with another video on Kalinga architecture. ଶୂନ୍ୟରେ ଦେଉଳ ହୋଇଛି, ଦେଉଳ ଗୋଟିକ ଜଳେ ନିର୍ମାଣ, ଏମନ୍ତ ଦେଉଳ ବିନ୍ଧାଣି ଗଡ଼ିଛି, ଅମୁଡ଼ା ଦେଉଳେ ଦିଅ ଦର୍ଶନ, ବାଇ ମନରେ ବସି ଅବନାବନ, ଅବନା ବନିଲେ ଅମାପ ମାପିବୁ, ବିଦ୍ୟାରେ ତୋହର ହୋଇବ ଧନ୍ୟ।
मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। खगाय नमः। पुष्णे नमः। हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। सावित्रे नमः। अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय